Hi and welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you that how you can verify your BingX account. So let's start our video. First, open the application. You will see an interface like this. If you did not verify your account, you will find it to complete KYC before trading, and you will option the verify here. But if you cannot, tap on your profile and you will find the verification option here. Tap on it and then tap verify now. So this is the first interface that you will see in the verification process. Here you need to enter your details, nationality, ID type. You can select either a card or your passport as well, last name, full name, and then your ID number and date of birth. So you need to provide all these information. So I will fill in the information and then show you the next step. So guys, once you enter all the details, all you need to do is to tap on complete. So guys, as you can see, they say it is a success and you see all the identity information are valid, and it is say that it is the verification first step has been completed. So guys, as you can see, we have completed the basic verification. Now we will do the advanced one. Just tap on verify now. So guys, it will bring you here where they say that verify your identity. It will only take 2 minutes. All you need to do is to prepare your identity document. You need to take the photo of your ID. If you have selected passport, you can do that as well. Then take a selfie with your ID. So the first thing is that you need to tap on continue. It will bring you here. The first thing you need to select is that the country who issued the document. You need to select your national citizenship country. So guys, after selecting the country, you need to select the document type, either passport, a driver license, or ID card. So in my case, I will select the ID card. Then you need to allow the application to use your camera. You need to take the picture of the front side of your document first. So guys, once you take the picture, then tap on document is readable. Now you have to take the picture of the back side of the document as well. So once you take the picture of the back side, just tap on document is readable. And it will upload the picture. It will take a bit of time. So guys, after uploading the document, now you need to take a selfie. So guys, once you upload your selfie as well, it say that verification status, the system is reviewing your document. That will take about 2 minutes, 2 to 10 minutes. So after that, you will receive a notification that either your account is verified or not. So guys, this is all it takes to complete the KYC of BingX. As you can see that it is already success, identity information is already verified. So guys, this is all it takes to verify your account on BingX. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.